I want you to know I'm proud of you. So very proud. You are my family. My child. I need you to understand. Please tell me you understand.